Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Oh my gosh, I feel like I haven't been in a video in like so long, so it feels really good, and I'm really excited about this video, you guys, because as you can tell from the thumbnail or the title of the video, I will be trying out Ohuhu's 320 marker set, you guys. Yo, let me actually pick it up. It's so heavy, you guys, literally so heavy. Oh, look at this thing.
I mean, then look at this then.
It is huge, like you guys.
I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
I am so excited to share this video with y'all because I know a lot of you have been wanting me to try out Ohuhu markers, something more affordable, you know what I'm saying? Because, I have Copic too, and I did a Copic marker video, and I know a lot of you wanted me to try these markers. So shout out to Ohuhu for sending your girls some markers so we can color with it, and, try it out for this video. So I'm really, really excited, you guys. Man, this thing is heavy. Good thing this thing comes with straps, because maybe. Woo. Look, she ready? She ready to go, okay? Yeah. Yes, you guys, I'm gonna be unboxing this, and I'm gonna be sharing with you all of the markers and me doing the swatches. You guys, literally, I should have planned a day ahead to do those swatches because it took forever. But yeah, y'all, I'm excited for this video, so go ahead and keep watching, and yeah, you guys, let's get to it. So heavy, you guys. Oh my gosh, like I basically have to use two hands just to hold it like this. But good thing that they have a strap, so you've got options. Okay. Moment of truth, you guys. Wow! Oh my gosh! You guys, I mean, oh my gosh. Look at all of these beautiful markers. Oh my gosh, guys, like, this is crazy. Wow. Okay, let's take a moment. Party. All right, what is this for? Okay, so it says, if you're coloring on thin paper, please put this pad between your coloring sheets to prevent any bleed through. Oh my gosh, what? You guys, I didn't know that these types of things existed. This is so smart of them to include this, because I know a lot of us have, experienced a bleed through. So this is like perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay, love that. All right. Oh, yep. I love the fact that they come with, swatch sheets. Like, this is like freaking incredible. Cause like, I think for the Copic markers, I had to like go online and like print out a page, but the fact that it comes with paper that's meant to be colored with markers, and then you can just swatch it right on here. They've got it all labeled out for you. I mean, it's just so convenient. Ohuhu, you guys know exactly what you're doing. Like, coming in clutch with the swatch paper, okay? And then we've got all of the colors on here. We got a little color pamphlet booklet just so we can look through everything, see what's up. Oh my gosh, we've got all the colors of the rainbow, you guys. Okay, we're talking Skittles here. We're talking Skittles. I don't know what's wrong with me, you guys. I don't know. But y'all, this is so exciting. I am so excited to try these markers out. So I'm going to do a little speed, what is it called? A time lapse of me doing the what is it called? The swatches. And then I'm just, you know, showing you guys what the set comes with. It comes with this little booklet, you know, telling you about the brand, what they're doing, telling you about the markers, different markers that they have. Okay, I love how they're naming it after, you know, different parts of Hawaii. That is so freaking cute. I love that. And then it also gives you like some, you know, examples of blending. They have a little tutorial. I mean, they come with everything in here, everything that you need. I mean, it's just so convenient. I love it. Like, I really, really do. I cannot wait to try this, you guys, because I know you guys have been wanting me to try, like, you know, a different marker other than Copic, because Copic is so expensive. So I'm so excited. I'm so thankful to Ohuhu for reaching out to me to do this, because I know you guys have been wanting me to try these markers, and I definitely have as well. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with these swatches, and then we can move on to coloring a actual drawing with the markers. Ooh, I'm so excited, you guys. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm gonna just come in here and talk a little bit while I am doing the marker swatches. So I immediately noticed how smooth the markers were once I started to use them, and I am absolutely loving the markers so far. But of course, I'll talk to you all more about the markers once I get to the actual coloring for my picture. But other than that, oh my gosh, you guys, I should have totally done this marker swatching like a day before, because this literally took me like a couple hours, because I had to find all the markers and everything. But I highly recommend swatching your markers before coloring, because the cap colors tend to be different than how the actual colors can look when you put them on paper. So it's definitely important to get this step out of the way, so that when you're ready to color, you'll have all the colors down on paper, you know what they look like, and you can, you know, match it up, and so everything will be a lot easier for you. So this part is definitely an important step in, you know, your marker coloring journey. So yeah, this is all of them done, and some of them I had to leave blank because I couldn't find some of the colors, but I'll go back and find them later. But then I've got the marker pad, or the marker sketchbook from Ohuhu, and it also came with another one of those sheets. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger than the one that came with the marker set, but hey, I'm not complaining. And then I've got my little pre-sketch that I put together digitally. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about that later, but yeah, I put together this little sketch digitally so that, you know, I have like the colors that I want picked already. And then I actually tried to see if I can actually trace the drawing kind of like a light tracing pad, but yeah, that definitely didn't work. And then I've got my Prismacolor Coal Erase pencil to start with sketching, and yeah, you won't be able to see that part that much, but yeah, this is what I like to use, so that way, like, you know, when it comes to erasing the lines, it won't be all like smudgy and stuff, like, you know, with a regular, than using like a regular pencil. And then I've got my Micron inking pens. That's what I'm going to be using to ink with, and I'm going to start off with a 0.1 to you know, just get those fine details in. And as I started to ink, I just kind of just, you know, use like sketchy lines, because I noticed that the inking pen, it was kind of drawing out like slightly, but actually that wasn't much of a bad thing, because like it was, you know, able to kind of help me to kind of like sketch out the lines before like I, you know, made a final decision with the you know, with the pen and everything, and just putting those lines down. But I really enjoyed this process. A little tip for when you do your line art is make sure you have dynamic lines, you have some thick and thin lines, just to really create that more, you know, dynamic look to your line art. So that's what I'm doing here. Alrighty guys, so this is the moment of truth. I've got the line art done, and now I am about to pick the skin colors. So the first colors I was checking out was dark suntan, and for shadow color I was looking at reddish brass. I think these might be good to start out with. And if I need to go darker, we can do maybe leather or copper. Copper might be too dark, but depending on what kind of depth I'm going for. So either leather or copper for some shadow colors. So I'm gonna start out with that. We're gonna, you know, start off with the skin, and then we're gonna move on to the hair, the clothing, the eyes, all that kind of stuff. I'm so excited. And another one of the things I wanna show you guys is, of course, my little, what do we call this? My little tester page, you know, color swatch thing. What do you call this? This is my drawing with the colors all done, you know, the color palette and everything that I have ready. so that I can look at these swatches and I can be like, okay, this will go here, this will go here. So this makes it a lot easier for me. So that way I don't have to be, you know, messing up colors or anything. So it's gonna be fun, like, you know, kind of like putting the swatch up to like her shirt just to see like which one is gonna fit the best. So it's probably gonna be something off of color swatch 3. I'm looking at, ooh, peacock blue is looking good. So, I mean, we could just go ahead and pick out our colors, you know, get all of that ready. So that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, I'm gonna basically just be putting the swatches up to this and picking out the colors so we can have the colors already out so we don't have to be fishing through the markers. And yeah, forgot to show you guys, but check it out. I actually organized it by color. So, you know, we've got all of our browns and skin colors, and we've got our yellows, our pinks, our blues and purples, greens, and our grays over here. So I think I did, you know, the best I could for it. I forgot to mention, I don't know if I did, but I couldn't find a couple of the colors. I know they're in here somewhere, so I'm gonna just have to, you know, find them later, but I got all that I need for now. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that because it's like so satisfying. So yeah. All right, let me get back to picking the colors now. Alrighty, you guys, so I have erased the lines from the sketch and now I am starting with the colors. So I really am sorry, you guys. I thought I guess I wasn't thinking, but I should have wrote down every color that I chose. But as you can see, I started out with the lightest color. I believe that was like the E00 something, I don't know. But I'm definitely gonna have, you know, videos in the future where, like, you know, I show you guys like what colors that I use for like the skin or whatever. I'll probably put tutorials on my Patreon of, like, you know, how to color with markers or, you know, whatever happens. But yeah, you guys, other than that, I love these markers. I love how it has a brush nib and a chisel nib on the other end, and that you can actually, I think it says something about flipping or changing the nib sides, I guess, like when one side gives out. But yeah, I really love how, you know, these brushes are. So happy that it has like this brush nib, kind of like how the Copic markers do. And I really love how the colors turned out, you guys, especially the shirt. Like the gradient on the shirt is just giving life. Like I really love how that gradient turned out. And, you know, me, you know, painting and coloring and, you know, sketching it digitally helped me tremendously. I think I've done that one time before, but I'm definitely going to do that from now on for all of my, you know, traditional pieces, and make sure that I color digitally first, sketch digitally first, so that I can have everything just ready and prepared for me. But yeah, you guys, I love how this turned out. I love these markers. I highly recommend it. And once again, thank you, Ohuhu, for reaching out to me to try out these markers. I love them so much, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching my process and enjoyed me using these markers. And yeah, you guys, this is the final results. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. I just love how like the colors turned out. And, you know, just seeing the, you know, final results from, you know, me, you know, with my digital painting and then turning it into traditional, it's really exciting. And I think, yeah, for sure, my favorite part was this shirt, for sure. I know I made a mistake on the face as well. There's like a little area that I went over a little bit too many times, but I think this is really good for me to, you know, not have, you know, been using markers in a while, and then, you know, coming back like in the first time from a long time. You know, I definitely have to practice my blending more, and, you know, just practicing making a more smooth blending transitions. But other than that, I think I did a pretty good job, you know, after coming back from, you know, just using digital all the time. And then check this out, you guys. Did you notice that, like, I put her hand like that so like it can, you know, she can look like she's holding the marker. I just think that's so cute. Oh my gosh. So yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. Make sure you guys check out my discount code down below if you would like to get Ohuhu markers. Check it out in the description. The link will be down there, and the code and all that cool stuff. So make sure you check that out, you guys. And yeah, y'all, this is the piece. I love it so much. Hope you guys love it as well. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Raw Sushi and comment down below. Share this video. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the outro. Hey. Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys. What did y'all think of the video? Let me know. I am so happy with how this cutie came out. You know, what can you say? You're gonna have some streaks when you color with markers, but I think it came out really good. I had so much fun with these markers. I'm so happy that it's brush and chisel nib markers, because literally that's like the only markers that I enjoy coloring with, because it's just so much easier to blend and, you know, just to get it all nice and stuff. But yeah, you guys, let me know what you all think down in the comments below. I wanted to give her, like, you know, a little surprise face, make it look like, you know, she was holding one of the markers and you saw, like, in the video, because I just thought that was cute. So yeah, y'all, let me know down in the comments below what you think. Make sure to subscribe if you like this video, you want to see more. Make sure to like, comment, and yeah, you guys, I cannot wait to, you know, make more videos using these markers. I mean, how can I not? Like, how can I not? Look at this. Hold on. Look at this. Like, what? Okay, we gotta get a thumbnail pic. Oh, this hurt my arms. But yeah, y'all, thanks so much for watching the video. I love you guys so much. If you're new to this channel, shout out to you, and shout out to everybody who's been here for the longest time. Y'all are incredible. If you guys are interested in learning from me and seeing behind the scenes and what I'm working on, go ahead and check out my Patreon at patreon.com/rawsushi. The links will be down in the description below, where you can find all my books and all of my everything down there. So, you know, check out the description below. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I love you all so much. I can't wait to make more content for you guys and just to have fun and to enjoy, you know, enjoy life with you guys. So yeah, y'all, love you all so much. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves. Bye.